Join me as I dive into the world of off-market deals and try to uncover what's really going on behind the scenes. Off-market deals are essentially properties that are sold without being publicly listed, and they're getting traction in the property market because they offer a way for buyers and sellers to avoid the hassle and costs associated with traditional listings. People often think that off-market deals are only for the wealthy or well-connected, but that's not entirely true. One major challenge people face when trying to engage in off-market transactions is the lack of access to these type of deals. Many off-market deals are facilitated through personal networks and relationships, making it difficult for newcomers to break in. Transparency is also a major issue, as the terms of off-market deals are often not publicly disclosed. This can make it difficult for buyers to understand and compare different properties. Furthermore, off-market deals often require a high level of trust between the parties involved, which can be difficult to establish, especially for those who are now new to the property game. Established investors and agents often use a variety of strategies to uncover off-market deals, including networking and direct outreach to property owners. They may also use data analysis and market research to identify potential properties that are likely to be sold off-market. Building relationships with other investors, agents and industry professionals is also crucial in getting access to off-market deals. By attending industry events and joining online forums, investors can connect with others who may have access to off-market properties. Additionally, using online platforms and tools can help investors to find and analyze potential off-market deals. One key insight that's important to understand about off-market deals is that they can offer significant advantages over traditional listings. For example, they can provide buyers with a way to avoid competition from other buyers with publicly listing their property. I've seen cases where investors have been able to purchase properties at a significant discount because they were able to negotiate directly with the seller. In one case, an investor was able to purchase a property for 20% below the market value because the seller was motivated to sell quickly. This just goes to show that off-market deals can be a win-win for both buyers and sellers. Another example is when an investor was able to find a property that was not publicly listed and was able to negotiate a good price because the seller was not paying any agent fees. The main points to take away from this discussion are that off-market deals are a viable option for property investors, but they require a certain level of access and knowledge to investigate, navigate, and conclude the deals. By building relationships, using data analysis and being proactive, investors can uncover off-market deals that offer significant advantages over traditional listings. If you've got any thoughts on off-market deals, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more insights on property strategies, investment and development, check out my other videos on the channel. If you want to discuss any aspect of property investment or development or off-market deals with me, that's Alan on +44 7539 141257 or +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.